Hello, year one. One-Legged Webster here, and like swashbuckling Garrett said last week, I was out hunting for some treasure, and would you believe it? Look what I found. I found a treasure chest. Should we take a little look inside? Ooh. I think we found some pieces of gold. Have a little guess. How many do you think there are? Shall we count them now? See if your guess was right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of gold. Now, I think it's only fair that I share these pieces of gold with swashbuckling Garrett. So if I'm sharing something between two people, I'm splitting my gold into two groups, two equal groups, because I'm going to be fair. I'm going to make sure swashbuckling Garrett gets the same amount as me. What am I doing if I'm splitting something into two groups? I'm splitting it in half. Splitting something into two is splitting it in half. So let's do that, shall we? I'm going to start off by getting 1 and giving it to me first. So 1 for me, 1 for swashbuckling Garrett, another 1 for me, another 1 for swashbuckling Garrett, for me, for Garrett, for me, for Garrett. There we go. I have split my gold into 2 equal groups. How many pieces are in each group? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I split my 8 pieces of gold into 2 halves, I ended up with 4 is 1 half. So swashbuckling Garrett will get 4, and I will get 4. Swashbuckling Garrett will get half. I will get half. Just the same. But I guess we really should share these with One-Eyed Zaman and Hobbling Hog. So back to the drawing board. Let's put all of our pieces together. This time, there's not just me and swashbuckling Garrett. I'm not splitting it between 2 anymore. I've got me, swashbuckling Garrett, One-Eyed Zaman, and Hobbling Hog. So I'm splitting it between 4 people. I'm splitting it into 4 groups this time. What do you call it when you're splitting something into 4? So when I'm splitting it into 2, it's called halves. When I'm splitting it in 4, it's called, it is called quarters. So I've got 8 pieces of gold still, and I'm going to split it into 4 equal groups, or into quarters. How many do you think that'll be when I split this into 4 groups? How many would each person get? Well, have a little think now, and let's start doing it. So, of course, I've got to start with me because I'm a greedy pirate. So, 1 for me, 1 for swashbuckling Garrett, One-Eyed Zaman, Hobbling Hog. Ooh, make sure you can see that. There we go. Then another 1 for me, another 1 for swashbuckling Garrett, One-Eyed Zaman, and Hobbling Hog. And there, I have split my gold pieces into 4 equal groups, or into quarters. And how many is each person getting? 2. Well done if you got that correct. Perhaps you could get some treasures from your house and try splitting them in half or even into quarters. Enjoy.